So how to register for a dentist in the UK? So to register for a dentist, the best thing to do is you're going to want to search for a local dentist near you. And the best way to do that is you want to head over to the NHS website and come to this page here, which says find a dentist. But I'll also leave a link below in the description. But once you're on this page here, you'll just want to go ahead and enter your postcode. But you can also search by using your town or city as well. Then once you've done that, it will then display a list of all the local dentists near you. And the best thing as well is when searching for a dentist, it should also let you know if that certain dentist is taking on any more patients. So for example here, this one is taking on new patients for children aged 17 or under, adults 18 or over, or adults entitled to free dental care. But you may also find some as well which will say not accepting new NHS patients. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find a dentist that is currently taking on new patients. So with that in mind, we'll go back to this one here which says they're taking on new patients, and we'll just go ahead and click on it. So clicking on this dentist here, you'll be able to pull up more information about this dentist. But since we already know they're taking on new patients, you can go ahead and go straight to appointments right here. And then once you're on appointments, you'll then just want to go ahead and select contact this dentist to book an appointment. And then once you've done that, it will then pull you up the contact details for the dentist. So you'll be able to use this phone number here to go ahead and book an appointment. And you'll also get their opening and closing times at the bottom as well. So once you've picked your dentist and you've confirmed they're taking on new patients, you can go ahead and call the number and you can go ahead and book an appointment from there. And that is pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.